Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I decided to do just like room refresh, bedroom refresh, and then you guys will see a little bit of DIY towards the end of the video. If you have recently joined the family, we are growing. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. If you haven't already, kindly do so. Kindly subscribe and help me grow the channel. My name is Mandy. I'm a mom of two girls, and I really love doing videos of homemaking and also a bit of lifestyle. I hope you do enjoy this one as well. Please don't forget to like the video. Even if you are still considering subscribing, please just like the video. It will really help the channel to grow. Thank you so much, you guys. So I won't be talking much on this video. Please do enjoy.
The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say and brand new me. Side by side, by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own.
So I saw this from Pokisha Sehata's channel. Mine obviously doesn't look nice because of the, when I got into this house, these nails were on the wall as well. So the middle one came out. I wanted them to be 3. I'll probably remove this because it didn't came the way I wanted, but I saw it from her channel and I think it's just a beautiful simple DIY, because this is a dry, not dry, mine is fresh eucalyptus, but I picked the almost dry part of it and it's not even aligned, so I'm not happy with this. I'm going to remove it. I don't know when, but I am going to remove it.
I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
So this is what I was going for. I still need to spray paint this bowl, don't mind my 4 fruits. And then I want the bowl to complement the utensils holder. I still need to spray paint that as well. I think the paint is coming off, but I was looking for something of this sort because it also matches these handles. So yeah, if you've been here for quite some time, you know that I received stock on Friday and I want to price these, and then I want to put pillowcases on that. And then another thing that I want to do, those are the pillowcases that I ironed. I've put them there and some of them are there. I don't think I'll use the runner though. The runner is there in some of the pillowcases. So see guys, I was so ready to go, but anyway, this picture I want to remove it and put it there. There are nails there. There are 2 nails. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is it's not focusing, but there are 2 nails here. And I do not want to like drill more nails. You guys know the story. So let me just continue to do that, and then also price. I won't price
by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in places, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, just imbalance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, whoa. We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind, hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, whoa.
Brand new street and brand new me, side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still we're alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I would die if I saw you now. Dreams might turn into something Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago.
So
hey,
I'm done, even though the vase is not dry, but I just wanted to like finish filming this video. I've put my eucalyptus there, and there's the vase, but I don't know if you can see. I've made like a pattern of crossing and crossing. I hope it will come out nice when it's all dry. I can't say I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I can't complain. It's just one of those. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have watched the entire video, I really do appreciate all the love and support. Kindly subscribe and like the video if you haven't. I'll see you guys on my next upload. I really do appreciate all the support. Bye for now.